Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. In this video, we will be learning how to switch DoorDash accounts. To switch between DoorDash accounts, open up the DoorDash app on your mobile device first, and then once in the home page after logging in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, go ahead and tap on the drop down at the top right underneath your profile picture. If you have multiple accounts on DoorDash, you can simply go ahead and tap the switch button right next to your next account. If you've not added that account, you can tap on use a different account and then choose your login options. You can enter your email and password for the different DoorDash account you want to switch to and sign in. Right after you do that, you will be able to switch between multiple DoorDash accounts whenever needed. So that is how it's easily done. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.